Welcome back to Hyperdrive, where we bring you the most exciting updates in the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into the latest evolution of a legend, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 and RSV4 Factory. On the surface, it might look like the same beast we've known for nearly 2 decades, but trust us, this machine packs some serious surprises under its sleek and familiar design. Let's talk numbers first. Aprilia claims the new RSV4's Euro 5 Plus compliant engine produces a jaw-dropping 220 horsepower at 13,100 RPM and 92.2 pound-feet of torque at 10,800 RPM. If these numbers hold true, this will make the RSV4 the most powerful homologated production superbike on the planet. This monstrous power is thanks to some clever engineering upgrades, like larger 52mm throttle bodies, an updated exhaust system, and a relocated catalytic converter to improve rider comfort by reducing heat. And that V4 engine? It's pure symphony. Aprilia's 65-degree V4 has always been an icon, and now it's better than ever, meeting strict emissions standards while still delivering that signature roar. Of course, power is only half the story. The 2025 RSV4 has a refined aerodynamics package inspired by MotoGP. The updated bodywork includes a massive wing underneath the triple LED headlight, helping reduce drag by 6% and wheelie tendencies by 8% compared to last year's model. Aprilia doesn't quote specific downforce numbers, but it's clear they're optimizing every inch of this bike for speed and stability. To handle all that power, the RSV4 sticks with its tried-and-true chassis. While it hasn't changed much over the years, why mess with perfection? It's still as razor-sharp as ever, giving riders unmatched confidence on the track and the road. Surrounding this frame is an updated cooling system featuring stronger radiator fans to keep heat levels in check. Now let's talk tech. The RSV4 is loaded with electronics, all managed through a vibrant 5-inch TFT display with updated graphics, a fuel gauge, finally, and backlit handlebar switches for better usability. Brembo's new Hypure calipers replace the previous Stylema units, shaving weight while improving braking performance. And up top, there's a lightweight triple clamp for better handling dynamics. Whether you're a hardcore track day enthusiast or someone who just wants to own a slice of MotoGP-inspired engineering, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 delivers on every front. This is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement, a legacy, and now, a 220 horsepower rocket ready to take the crown as the ultimate superbike. Thanks for tuning into Hyperdrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world's most exciting machines. Drop your thoughts on the RSV4 in the comments below. Could this be the ultimate superbike of 2025? Stay tuned for more, and as always, ride safe and ride hard.